Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Facebook Messenger app on your Android device. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the Play Store application and then in the search bar type in Messenger. And then tap on the install button. You can also download the Messenger Lite application if you have less storage or if you want the app to consume less data. The download duration of the application will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. After the application has been downloaded on your device, you can tap on open. And from here you will be able to log in to your Messenger application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and we will be back soon with more videos similar to this.